Hey guys, it has been brought to my notice that the short videos I do here and there sharing my hair care routine is not really detailed enough. So here is a video showing you guys how I was able to grow my hair down to my waist in just 4 years of being natural. First is the detangling. Before I do anything to my hair, I must detangle it, and I do it with something slippery. In this video clip, I am using aloe vera gel. You can use anything you want, conditioner, fenugreek, flaxseed. And once I'm done applying the aloe vera gel, I go in with this detangling brush. The natural hair gear them online, they have been raving over this brush. They call it the on brush. I got this from Jumia, but I don't think it's the real deal. Either way, whether a real or fake, it works really well. Then I go in and wash my scalp. Yes, I detangle before I wash my scalp, because your hair grows from your scalp and your scalp has to be clean and free in order to promote healthy hair growth. Once I am done washing my scalp and my hair, conditioning. I condition in sections from roots to ends, and I pay very close attention to my ends because they are the oldest part of my hair, so I show them more love because they are very, very dry. The conditioner I'm using is this Mama Earth conditioner, but you can use the Elan conditioner, that is fantastic as well. This is what my hair looks like once I have rinsed out the conditioner after leaving it in for about 30 minutes. Next is moisturizing. I use my leave-in conditioner, follow it up with shea butter, moisturize my hair, detangle, then I protect it. In this video clip, I am doing mini braids, and I'm doing it myself because no one can be more gentle than me. But if you have someone that is extremely gentle with your natural hair, go ahead and do that. Protection is very, very important for length retention, at least in my case. And one thing I do after these kind of protective hairstyles, especially mini braids, mini twist, and the rest of them, is that I trim my ends. It is very easy to trim them when I am wearing this kind of protective hairstyles because the ends have been sectioned off and I can easily see the dead ends. Every single day I massage my scalp using a blend of oils that I mix myself. I do this every single day. Massage my scalp for about 5 minutes in circular motions, and that's another reason why I love this hairstyle, because it gives me easy access to my scalp. Just loving it, loving it, loving it. You can see the calories that I put in it to give the hairstyle a little fizzy. Anyway, we are on to the moisturizing section of the braids itself. I go in with this aloe vera oil concoction I made myself, video on that coming soon. Then go in with some shea butter to lock all that moisture in. Tie my hair up with a satin scrunchie. Make sure that it is satin because this does not absorb all that beautiful oil that we are putting in my hair. Once I'm done tying it up with the scrunchie, I put on my bonnet and get ready for bed. I never go to bed without protecting my